Your material rates section is where you can upload your merchant price book. Once you have been able to obtain your price book, navigate to your settings and select Material Rate under the Estimate Settings heading. Select your preferred merchant from the drop-down, and then select Upload Price File. Select Choose File and locate that file on your computer. Then select Open. You will now need to map your price book by specifying what column the SKU code, price, and unit are located. Once that's completed, upload prices. When there are product price increases, you can simply upload the updated price book and any changes will be applied. When it comes to obtaining a price book, all merchants are different. Please speak to your rep about obtaining one. We can provide file formatting examples if required. Please note, Placemaker's customers, if your integration is set up and synced, your price book will automatically be imported and updated every night.